Hi everyone, I am Sundaravalli and I am working as assistant professor in Sri Kaleshwari College, Sivagasi. Now we are going to discuss about what is inheritance and why we need to inheritance and what are the types of inheritance and last one what are the advantages from inheritance. The first one is what is inheritance. The inheritance is OOPS concept that is object oriented programming. It is a software developer to derive a new class from an existing one. The existing class is called a parent class, a superclass or base class, and the new one is called child class or subclass or derived class. The superclass is a parent class, it's like our parents, and the subclass is a child class. The child inherits all the behaviors from our parents through gene. Then why we need Java inheritance? That is code reusability, method overriding and abstraction. Now what is code reusability? That means the code written in the superclass is common to all subclasses because the subclasses derive all the properties from the parent class. The next one is method overriding. The method overriding is only achievable through our inheritance. It is one of the ways by which Java achieves is used in runtime polymorphism. The abstraction refers to the we do not have to provide any detailed information through our inheritance. It only shows the functionality to the user. This was the syntax for our deriving subclass. In Java, we use a reserved keyword that is extend. The extend keyword is used to extend all properties from our parent class. The first one is class is a keyword and the mark is a derived class name. Extend is a keyword. The student is a base class name. These are the types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, the second one is multiple inheritance, third one is multi-level inheritance, fourth one is hierarchical inheritance. So first one is single inheritance. The term single inheritance means it's have only a one base class and one derived class. The derived class derive all the properties from our base class A. So class A is a base class, the class B is a derived class, they extend all the properties from the class A. Then multiple inheritance. The multiple inheritance allow the class to be derived from two or more base classes, inheriting the members to all of all parents. But Java does not support multiple inheritance. We are working in multiple inheritance by the use of interfaces only. The class A and class B is the base class and class C is a derived class deriving all the properties from both A and B base classes. Then multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class and the derived class is acts as a base class for other classes, for other subclasses. Class A and class B, class C. Class A is a base class and class B is a derived class acquiring all properties from the class A. And the class B is act as a base class to class C. So class A is a base class B extends all the properties from class A and the class C extends all the properties from class B. The B is acts as a base class as well as derived class. It is an intermediary class. The next one is hierarchical inheritance. In this type of inheritance, more than one subclass is inherited from a single base class. That is, one derived class is created from a single base class. And these are the hierarchical inheritance. The A is a base class is deriving two or more number of derived classes. And these are the advantages of inheritance. The first one is code reusability. The next one is abstraction. Third one is class hierarchy. And fourth one is polymorphism. So the code reusability, that means it reduces the amount of code that needs to be written. The subclass can reuse the properties and methods of the superclass. Then abstraction is allowed to the abstract classes that define a common interface for a group of related classes. We promote abstraction encapsulation, making the code easier to maintain and extend also. Then class hierarchy. The class hierarchy which can be used to model real-world objects and their relationships. The polymorphism means more than one forms. The subclasses can override the methods of the superclass with the keyword used super, which allows them to change the behavior in different ways.